Ajuoreum, commanders. Our forces are engaging Amon's minions across Shakuras, but the Dark God seeks this temple's demise. It will take time to activate the temple's power and repel his assault. Your objective is to defend it until that time comes.
We will do our best to prevent its fall.
SCV ready. 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 SCV ready.
Don't waste my time.
Walking. Sounds good. Sure, why not? Moving.
I have detected an incoming enemy attack. They are moving swiftly.
In the rear with the gear. Skinny on the what's going on? Time.
These things don't end up bug off, do they?
Not enough minerals.
SCV ready.
Not enough minerals.
Skinny on the way. Sure, why not? SCV ready. I got you.
Don't waste my time.
Say it loud and proud, son. Understood. SCV ready. All right with me. Sounds good. I can't build here. I can't build here. Skinny on the way.
Don't provoke me.
The man got it.
Our allies' base is
What's going on? Good job. Bad news.
upgrade complete.
On pursuit. Ready. Not a problem. Moving. I got you. Sounds good. Skinny on the way. SCV ready.
I'm a bad man.
Warning. Hybrid detected.
Oh, you didn't tell me your mama was coming.
Moving. Sounds good.
The temple is beginning to awaken. It won't be long before it activates itself.
Get the let out. Okay, object.
On proceed.
Amon's forces are attacking the temple.
In the rear with the gear.
backup?
The temple is under attack.
All we gotta do is keep it in one piece.
I'm listening. All right with me.
Your forces are under attack.
I can't build here. SCV ready.
Just stay out of my way.
I'm listening. Let me do this.
You shine? Sure, why not? I can't build. SCV ready. I can't build here.
Where's my backup?
Hybrid detected. Marking location now.
This just became considerably more difficult.
You gonna bark all day?
The temple is halfway toward activation. Maintain our defenses, commanders.
What's eating at you? I can't build here. Sure, why not? SCV ready.
Our allies' base is under attack. Our allies' base is under attack.
A Void Thrasher is bombarding the temple. You must end its assault.
You gonna bark all day? Whatever it takes.
Your forces are under attack.
What's eating at you? I got you.
A Void Thrasher has been destroyed.
Something in the way. There's something in the way. I got you. SCV ready.
Get on that ship, you numbskulls. You can't fix stupid. That isn't it.
SCV ready.
Who
Your
wants to?
forces. Hybrid detected.
We cannot allow the hybrid to overwhelm us.
Complete.
Stay out of my way. The time is...
You shine. I got you.
I'm tired of waiting.
Pack your bags and get on board.
Just stay out of
Upgrade complete. Our allies' base is under attack.
Tom, receive it. Move it.
Our allies' base is under attack.
Good. Move it.
Channel secure.
Our allies' base is under attack. Your forces are under attack. Enemy drop pods incoming.
Where's my backup? One step ahead. Time.
I'm listening.
Don't waste my time.
Tom,
Come on already.
Enemy drop pods incoming. Our allies' base is under attack.
Time has come. Just
shine. I got you. Tom,
The temple is under siege from a Void Thrasher. Slay it before it deals too much damage.
where's my backup?
I'm listening. All right.
Get on that
What's
ship,
you
you
do?
numbskulls.
What's eating at you? Skinny on the way.
Your conviction is admirable, commanders. We have 2 more Zenith stones to address.
Tom, receive it.
Where's my backup?
Our allies' base is under attack. Our allies are being attacked.
I'm tired of waiting. Just stay out of my way.
Upgrade. Hybrid energy signature detected.
Hope you all have strong stomachs.
Void Thrasher eliminated. Upgrade complete. Your forces are under attack.
Oh, where you been all my life? Whatever it takes.
Your forces are under attack.
I'm listening. I can't build here.
Our allies are being attacked. Our allies' base is under attack. Our allies are being attacked.
I'm a bad man. Not in here.
Enemy drop pods incoming. Our allies are being attacked.
There remains one last Zenith stone.
Say it loud and proud, son.
What's in it for me? Pack your bags and get on board.
Our allies' base. Enemy drop pods incoming.
The Zenith stones have been destroyed. Regrettable, but necessary.
Indeed, all data points to its elimination.
Amon strikes against the temple. We must defend it.
Understood. We need to protect the objective at all costs.
Enemy drop pods incoming.
Time is come.
What's in it for me?
Tom, receive it.
Our allies are being attacked.
What can it do? Sure, why not? Understood.
Our allies' base is under attack. Your forces.
Operations are nearly complete, commanders. Defend the temple for just a few more moments.
It's gonna get rougher before it gets smoother. Don't provoke me.
It seems we will have to deal with more than one thrasher this time. Make haste, commanders.
Fix stupid. Whatever it takes. Whatever it takes.
Tom, receive it.
A void thrasher's death has been confirmed.
What's eating that?
Our allies, your forces are under attack.
Listening. I got you. I can't build here.
New hybrid signature detected.
If we work together, they should not be too serious of a threat.
Get on the ship.
I can't build here. Listening. Skinny on the way.
Don't provoke me.
Where's my backup?
Being attacked.
What's in it for me? You gonna bark all right?
What's eating at you?
You gonna bark all things up and I've never been happy. We got some clumped enemies hiding around here. Where are they taking us? Big dog and
Say it loud and proud, son. I got you.
Time has come. One step ahead. I'm already here.
A void thrasher has been slain.
Say it.
Enlighten me.
Say.
let's see what this baby's got. They found me. Pack your bags and get on board.
What can it do?
An excellent performance, if I do say so myself.